All right, here are some more concepts from geometry. And a lot of times we in geometry are talking about lines, and specifically lines that intersect or lines that do not intersect. So on the screen here, we have here under letter A, we have two lines that meet in a plane and they have a point of intersection. These are intersecting lines. And that's about all I want to say about that for right now. We'll get in more into intersecting lines in a little bit. But I also want to talk about parallel lines, and these are lines that do not intersect. And here we have two parallel lines, and we symbolize them by putting a little extra arrowhead on those two lines, showing that they are parallel and will never, 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 ever intersect. However, they are cut through by a third line. And this line is what we call a transversal. So we will talk more about parallel lines cut by a transversal and how that is special and how the angles formed by those lines are indeed really interesting to us. We'll talk more about that in a future video. But I just wanted to introduce you to some of that symbolism around parallel lines cut by a third line called a transversal. Then we can have three lines, and three lines that intersect form a triangle. And in a future video, we'll talk more about the importance of triangles, the importance of the angles formed by these intersecting lines to form triangles, the importance of the angles, the interior and the exterior angles formed by three lines that intersect to form a triangle. But again, this is just an introduction to some of the terminology and some of the things that we need to know about lines that are intersecting.